start the vlog outside today. What is up, beautiful people? It's day 3 or 4 of our Punta Cana adventures. We do have some dark clouds back there, but it is sunny for the most part, so that's good. I have my bathing suit on. We're gonna head down for breakfast, the usual routine. Today is Kiara's dad's 50th birthday, so we have like a white event tonight, a cocktail party, and we're just gonna be chilling by the beach today, not so much the pool. But so far so good. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Hope y'all are ready. Stay tuned. Let's get it.
We're about to leave.
Tell me why we're ready, and this girl just woke up.
You getting exposed on the vlog.
Just left the room, guys. Why are you laughing at me? We're about to go surprise Shelly and Max in their room. They have no clue we're coming. But this is what happens when you're late. It's another beautiful. I said another bowl. It's another beautiful day in paradise, people. So we're on the way. Shelly and Max are waking you up because you're late. Shelly and Max, we're coming. We're almost there. Oh, what's up, man? Shelly and Max, we're here. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ah! You scared. Max still in bed?
Let me go get the water.
Max, get up. Max. Oh, how is that? That's a good way to wake up, huh?
Go, I'm awake.
Hey guys, I'm sure you could tell I'm a little low,
Back up
low
and
energy.
Put it higher.
There's always something to go to, never enough sleep to get. So this is the outcome. This is the results.
We got what, like 3 more days?
It's more than okay. This is the last time you're gonna be seeing me. I'm not kidding.
Every time the camera's out, Max is right there. We've made it to the beach. Oh, y'all didn't say what's up to the vlog this morning.
What's up? Good morning, guys.
How are you feeling?
I'm good.
You got that? We're at the beach, guys. I don't think I showed you. I actually did show y'all the beach a couple days ago. Oh, it comes with wine. Okay. Max is already going to sleep. Yo, Rap, what's up with your stomach, bro?
What you got? Yo, I can't be burnt out here, bro. Not looking like no burnt toast, bro. You gotta rub it in, bro.
What's up, vlog? So I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. We were on the beach. We left the beach. We went to go eat. Now we're back at the pool. There's music, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but cue the montage. Tell them.
Cue the montage.
Cue the montage.
Montage.
Cue the montage. Oh.
Damn it, I want the montage.
Oh. Vlog. It's the next day. I forgot to vlog pretty much the whole morning, but right now we're heading over to an excursion. We're going on a boat party. I want to give you all a heads up.
Yo,
we're at the beach right now.
Beach. JP say what's up, bro. JP
say what's up. He does the same thing every time.
Yo says yup.
right now. We're on the boat right now. Fantastic.
The boat was great. 10
Water
out
was
of
great.
10.
Yes.
Another fun boat day.
Yeah, so we're about
In
to
the
go.
boat. Transition.
Wait, I want to show them.
Okay. Tell me when I should transition.
Transition now.
I see him. I know. I made him dance.
Oh, you were in the bus with us. Who am I? Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a day in the life.
Channel, baby. Yeah, you know what it is here in Punta Cana.
Jojo, what are you doing?
Let's go. West Coast in the house.
West Coast.
Out here.
Do me a favor, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and tune in every week for fresh content.
What is up, vlog? Oh my god, it looks so crazy. Let me put a hat. How is that any better? Yeah, that's not better. But anyways, guys, what's up, guys? It's the next day. We're having a girls' robe party.
Yeah,
Where's
but
your robe?
we have a case of the missing robe because I walked in with 2 robes for Annie and we can't seem to find it. So she's
I got no robe, and then they look at them. This is not fair. You took my robe.
I didn't. They keep thinking I took it and I hid it somewhere, but I didn't.
You think you took it and hid it somewhere?
I said they think.
Oh, look, she got her robe on. Caillou has her robe on. Annie doesn't have her robe on. I've been literally turning this place upside down trying to find this freaking robe. Ariel said she left it right here. Guys, look at my skin. What happened?
Dude, get this on camera.
Tell them, can you talk to the camera because I can't. Shelly's gonna be me for right now.
We just ordered room service, a little bit of everything, and we're gonna have a little girls' breakfast in our robes.
I think you should take some
And yeah, and then we're gonna go to ATVs.
Nice.
That's it. Next.
Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back. Okay, I'm gonna give you all a name based off of the sunglasses, okay? This is giving me Miranda.
Miranda.
You're Miranda. This is giving me... I'll come back for you, Shelly. This is giving me Sydney.
Hey, that's my best friend's name.
Sydney. This is giving me... Oh, what's the... No. No. Jada Wada, or what's that? Kim Possible. This is giving me Kim Possible.
Come on, Kim.
Okay, Shelly, we're coming back for you. It's the blue with Throw Me Off. This is giving me Wanda.
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 What about Annie?
Okay, can you please give me a good name?
It's giving Charles C. Lola. Raven. Lola. Raven.
I like Lola.
Okay, Lola.
Okay, I'm Lola. Okay. Ooh, nice. Ooh.
That's why all your videos are like.
What's up, guys? We are back with Max.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, Max, you usually smile every time. You didn't smile this
Hey
time.
guys, what's up?
But guys, we're about to go on ATVs.
They doing bogey.
The Doom Bogey.
We going on they doing bogey. Doing $90 everybody.
Hopefully we didn't get scammed because the guy low-key might scam us, so fingers crossed. Keep you updated, we're gonna head on the bus. Stay tuned for the adventure.
And I might as well confess.
Yo, you already know we're on the bus on the way. About to go drive them ATVs, you already know.
We're now at the spot. We all got our mask on and what'd you say? We ready to go. We ready to go. Don't play with us. We about to be We're gonna be safe, but we're gonna have fun.
Where's Pierre? He needs this.
Crazy. Look at us. We're all like dirty now. Guys, we're at dinner right now. We've had a long day. At dinner with the gang. Shelly, I know you wanted to be on camera. Say hi to the vlog.
Leave me alone. I'm eating my bread. She's not in a good mood.
Wow, that's crazy.
Wow, that's crazy.
Gracias. Okay, so we got an appetizer and we have an entree. So my appetizer is an arepa. It's a ribeye, right?
A ribeye marinated and cream cheese.
That looks so good. It's good.
It's just bread. There's no meat.
I'm gonna try the arepa now.
We need to get one.
What's up, gang? We're at the water park right now. Rap's lit. Baby's lit.
Spider-Man.
Yeah. We're about to go in this water right here. But anyways, I'll keep you updated as much as I can. But we're about to be lit.
And what happened to the daily vlogs?
Boy, if you don't